gonna talk in and out, guys, here because obviously I have to exclaim about this freaking car and how it handles and how fast it moves. One of roads I really do love. It's a little bit drizzly out today, so I can't go too crazy. But definitely gonna enjoy some noises, some rev matches and stuff. And some scenery, of course. Brother, 4th to 3rd in this car, I love that rev match so much. Just for a little bit. Always on roads, if you go over a crest, never full speed up that jump, seriously.
At your destination. You have arrived. mile, turn right onto County Road 2001. County Road 2001.
Always a nice road.
Continue on County Road 2001 for half a mile. Half a mile, turn left onto Fisher Lane. Sawkill Road toward Kiesel.
I'm so sorry guys, I gotta deal with the freaking GPS. But it's a nice little route that was put together. Just to make sure, just endless entertainment the whole time. It's starting a little bit drier out too, so start to push it a little bit harder. This car is a hoot, man. It really is. I love when you get into tight stuff because it lets like a little bit of slip happen, which, you know, having slip is always fun. You know, like me personally, I would rather have a front wheel drive car at this power, like a GTI. I wouldn't mind. Like if I had Golf R looks with GTI drivetrain, I'll be happy. Because I mean, honestly, like it makes it a little bit more fun when you have a little bit of slip at the front end, and you know you get to have a little more fun, basically. But I like it because even though it's not front wheel drive, it's front wheel drive bias, and it does allow a little bit of slip once you're going into tight corners. You put a little bit of gas, but it also stays very, very composed. So it's like the nice, you know, in between of the heavy medium, basically, because it definitely does stay very composed in corners. Like imagine what it must be like to have your yard a freaking lake with a bridge going over it. Must be insane, man. Oh my gosh, this car is so good. Wish I don't jump over this, just slow it up. There we go. Nice little home. Another one. Alright, let me quiet it down, passing this guy. Don't want to blow his eardrums out. It's crazy because he didn't even like flinch the pops. They looked for like 1 second, they're like, whatever. Just another hoon having fun with this loud ass car. Tunnel coming up. I like how this car feels during compression, or like it really sits down nice on the tires. Wow, look at that. That's a nice lake. Like, that's their backyard. That's insane. That be shifting the heck out of your cars, bro. Anyone that got DCT or DSG hands, bro, you know you be doing a little in between your shifts. Feel me? Just a little massage in the gear shift. Feel me? Everyone does it, man. I don't know, it just happens. Each and every one of my friends that I've been in the car with, and they start going crazy, just see them caressing the shift knob.